When you visit a grand country estate, you expect to see gold-leafed ceilings and portraits of lords and ladies, and while Erddig has plenty of breathtaking luxury, its true story begins somewhere much quieter. This is the servants' passage. For generations, the family who owned this estate documented, photographed and celebrated the everyday people who kept it alive. Today, we are exploring both sides of life at Erddig. We'll step inside the stunning untouched grand family rooms upstairs and journey deep into the hidden engine rooms downstairs, the historic kitchens and grueling laundries to see the incredible contrast of a stately home frozen in time. Stepping into the family quarters reveals a spectacular glimpse into the past. Unlike many other stately homes that were modernised over the centuries, Erddig was intentionally preserved by its owners, the York family. They preferred conservation over high society trends, leaving these rooms feeling less like a museum and more like a time capsule. Every corner is packed with exquisite craftsmanship. From rare tapestries and fine furniture to a vast library, it is a world of immense wealth, elegance and quiet comfort. But maintaining a grand lifestyle like this required an absolute army of invisible hands working day and night. Leaving the luxury behind, we descend into the heavy stone wings where the real work happened. In the kitchens, the heat and noise would have been constant. The staff here weren't just cooking delicate dinners for the family upstairs, they were responsible for feeding dozens of estate workers, craftsmen, and visiting guests every single day using historic heavy iron equipment. Right next door is the estate laundry, home to what was widely considered the most physically grueling job on any estate. Heavy Victorian fabrics and linens had to be boiled in copper vats, scrubbed entirely by hand in deep wooden troughs, and fed through massive, bone-crushing wooden rollers to wring them out before being ironed. It is this incredible survival of both worlds, the grand and the domestic, that makes Erddig so unique. By looking past the gold leaf and seeing the honest labour that supported it, we get a true, unfiltered look at country house life. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this glimpse into history, be sure to like and subscribe for more atmospheric tours.